So I think I have an optimum angle. I mean, I think as I don't know. I think that's as good as I'm gonna get it. So I have the stupid power supply for it right here. You know, this is it right here. See, this is the plug that these Apple machines used to use. Some bullshit. You know, Apple yo-yo. For some reason, these things cost a lot of money online. I don't fucking know. I have I think around 4 of them or some shit like that. I don't fucking know. Anyways, we're gonna find out what's popping. So lit up. I heard a hard drive, so it seems to have a hard drive. Let's see. What the fuck? I don't remember that. Huh. Okay. Well, something definitely happened to this. So, there is a... Oh, Jesus Lord. I don't trust this hinge. See, this is why I use the Pismos. I don't use the Lombard. I use the Pismo. This is why this Lombard is boxed up. So I gotta find something to prop it. I don't know why the fuck I have this thing here. Maybe this could help. With that, then this should. Yep. Well, let me lean it back a bit more. Okay. So, yeah, this is the Lombard. So let me try and zoom into our problematic point. That being, is it this side? No. That being this side. So I don't know how well the camera would pick it up, but there is a clear crack there. Let's see if I can, yeah. And it seems to extend all the way to around here, I think. I'm not all that sure, but yeah. So that's bad, obviously. It's obviously very bad that, you know, that this piece of shit decided to fucking goodbye box in a way, you know. Cause yeah, I don't know what the hell happened with it, because the last I boxed it up, it didn't have this type of issue. I remember that the hinges were super floppy, but the it didn't have that crack though. So that crack must have definitely developed either when I was throwing the box around or when it just developed the fucking crack. Anyways, yeah. So whatever, we'll power it on. The hinge still seems to hold, but I suspect that the hinge, one of these days, like it still seems to display an image. I suspect that one of these days is gonna fuck up. Anyways, that's the thing, is gonna probably roll back and then say goodbye to the PowerBook G3 Lombard. So you can see that's running macOS 9.22. Shows. I mean, it shows up 9.2, but if I remember, it runs 9.22. Ooh, look at that. What the fuck? Man, you know, that's one thing I fucking forgot with the Lombard. Jesus Christ, the fucking clicker is weird. On the Pismos, you feel an actual click. On this thing, it's like a tongue. Yeah, it sure is taking its own sweet time. Let's see if it's... Yeah. So, it's in the desktop now. Yeah. Oh wow. It has 256 megs of RAM. Yep. So it actually runs 921, not 922. Guess I just really don't have a lot. I don't even know what the hell's the capacity of the drive. 10 gigs. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I definitely tried to install some stuff on it. Okay, whatever. There really isn't a lot we can do with this thing. The Pismo is more capable than the Lombard. It has a DVD drive. We can test it out. I mean, I remember I was able to watch a DVD movie on this thing, so I have a lot of them. Let me see. Oh. Here's something I found, an ancient relic. This fucking stupid ass bullshit. Ooh. Oh yeah. Here we go. Now we really delve into stupidity territory right here. Yeah. Oh. What the fuck was that noise? Jesus. Yeah. I don't know. now we have the now I have something. This thing right here. Here it is. This is Max and Ruby. Treehouse presents Max and Ruby Scavenger Hunt. Yeah. I'm even surprised I still have this, but whatever. Let me see just how clean this disc is. Oh shit! Oh no. Is it even gonna be red still? Good. I don't know. Let me see if this is what I'm trying to point out right here. It kind of caught it. Yeah. Definitely not the most cleanliest disc. But it would definitely. Well, I mean, I would assume that this thing will at least read it, though, right? Maybe at least see something. Yeah, it's trying all right. Is it giving up? I think so. Nah, I don't know. I don't think this thing likes Max and Ruby. Yeah, it's not seeing anything. The fuck, my camera's making some weird ass noise. Well, oh, Jesus, what the fuck was that? Well, I guess that was it. Seems as Max and Ruby didn't fucking work. Well, that's a damn shame. Tried watching the movie on here, it didn't fucking work. I mean, it's not like as if I was gonna be fucking watching Max and Ruby, just want to see the stupid ass disc drive even works. Okay, fine, I have this. Okay, is it able? Shit. Is it able to read this? Look at this. Fancy. Exactly. This is an, there we go. This is an install CD for Windows 2000. See? I actually have one. This is like one of the only two good versions of Windows that Microsoft ever made, next to Windows 7. The rest is all ass, is all fucking trash. But yeah, let's see. Let's see if it reads it. Maybe Steve Jobs is preventing this thing from reading a Windows disk. Let me see. Fuck? Oh, okay. Well, I mean, it still read it. Hey, I got an idea. You know, this is gonna be really fucking stupid, ain't it? Okay. You know what? I got Virtual PC installed. What version of is this the one with Connect6 or Microsoft? Oh, I never bothered updating it. It's still labeled Connect6. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Well, here's what we're gonna do. We are going to install Windows 2000 on this piece of shit via a virtual PC. Obviously, we cannot install it natively because this thing's a PowerPC computer. But that's the challenge. You know, PowerPC trying to run x86 code obviously is going to be very, very slow. So this is going to be a test of patience. This is going to be a test of patience, ain't it? This is going to be something that's incredibly fucking stupid, but that's okay. So we're going to do this, okay? Windows. It doesn't allow. What the fuck? New PC name. It doesn't seem to allow numbers. Fucking. Okay then. Fine, we'll do this. That doesn't make sense. How can I was able to fucking label this? Like my keyboard works. What? Let me do something here. Where is my No. I forgot I had this installed. Take a look at this. Okay. Yep. That's Virtual Viagra. The application is called Virtual Viagra. Obviously, the sex joke is that the cursor turns bigger. Just like, you know, how you would expect Viagra in real life to work. You know, it turns one specific thing bigger. So, you know, I probably should copy that over to my Pismo. I fucking forgot that even existed. Jesus Christ. Virtual Viagra. Okay. Anyways, what I'm trying to do here is I want to see if. Oh, I have OS 10 installed on this thing as well. Oh, Jesus. What I need to see here is if the keyboard's actually okay. So oh, great. Perfect. No fucking problem with this thing. Jesus Christ, man. Then how the fuck am I... What? What the fuck? Okay. Now we have really encountered a major issue here. Look at this shit. Okay? Here is my fingers. They are on the number keys. You can see there is nothing being inputted. I can type in words such as PowerBook, but I can't type in numbers though. Yeah. The fuck? Do I actually seriously have to use the fucking number lock then? No, like it actually legitimately does not fucking work. My God. Okay, well, I don't know what happened there then. So randomly, out of the blue, the keyboard just doesn't really work then. Huh. Okay. So I guess this is, do I really want to continue using Virtual PC to do this bullshit project, or should I actually, or should I just bring out the other Pismo I have? I have another Pismo. I could fucking use that instead. Yeah, because, you know, this keyboard don't want to work. That's gonna be very problematic. Sure, I could use this. I think this would still interface through Virtual PC. Maybe. I'm not sure. But why? You know what? Fuck it. Here's what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do is this. Hello? Fucking. Yep. So, See, this is the proper way right here. You know, you don't touch the actual data part of the disk. Nope. Cancel. Fuck off. It's like some shit on here. Okay. Yeah, so I guess there's that. Yeah, the power book I guess doesn't exactly work. Power's on and stuff, but the fucking number keys don't work somehow, which is something that's actually very weird because it doesn't make sense that literally everything else works but the actual keys. Like the number keys. That's okay. Well, here's what we can do then.